everyone, today I want to talk about some of my most supportive YouTube friends. Welcome to Shelly Saves the Day. On my channel I do videos about how to be a better YouTuber, and I hope to inspire you to do something that gets you one step closer to achieving your goals online. Today I'm talking about my most supportive YouTube friends online. I thought this was a great way to start off the new year. Thank you, Drea, for starting this tag, and I would like to encourage all of you guys to do this video as well. So let's get started. So these are in no particular order, but I have to start with Drea first because she did create the tag. She did include me in her video as well, which was so awesome. I was honored to be part of it. So absolutely she has to go first, and put her information across the bottom here. Drea has two channels. Like I said, the first one is Clueless Mama D. This is a family vlogging channel. So Drea and I have met because we're in multiple Facebook groups together, and I appreciate she's got a sassy, fun attitude. She is very honest. She is genuinely a supporter, and if she wants to watch your video, she will watch it. She will comment on it. I feel like with her, I always have a genuine interaction. Like, I know that she's watching my videos. I'm more than happy to go and watch her videos. I really like her stuff. I know that I've helped her a little bit with some live streaming, which was so awesome. I was so excited to see her be doing that, but I love watching the videos around her, her family. I love her second channel, which is the Clueless Tips channels, which is tips for YouTubers, small YouTubers from other YouTubers that she considers herself small. I don't. I think she's fantastic. I think she is a great YouTuber, a great online friend. So definitely please go check her out. And she did create this tag, so awesome that she tagged me in it. Second up, okay, I want to talk about Chase on Stage. When I was telling him in this Facebook group that I kind of wanted to scale back on beauty, and I really wanted to go after this niche of like helping, you know, a YouTuber helping other YouTubers, and then I told him secretly, I'm like, in my mind, I'm really chasing after like the females, the girls who are scared because they don't know about technology or they just don't have the confidence to do it. And I was really nervous to put that out there, and he was just one of the first ones to come back and be like, I think that's awesome. I think that's great. I think that YouTube needs that. And I was just like super surprised and super touched that he felt that way and, you know, articulated that. And so I love his channel because all of his videos, they're little short skit comedy bits where usually a minute, 2 minutes, but I know that I can always go to his channel and find a laugh. It's always funny. It's always funny stuff. He has one of my favorite characters. Her name is Vicky, and Vicky is, you know, like that basic bee that wears Uggs and drinks Starbucks and wears leggings, and you know that person. And so he has made some funny videos with her in them, and he's you know, just completely so much fun to watch. Super supportive, so he comments on a lot of my videos. I know he watches them, which is awesome. Even some of the makeup ones, which I know don't necessarily interest him, but he's just doing it because he's supporting me. So I want to say thank you to Chase. He is an awesome channel, you guys. Go check him out. Next up, I want to talk about my friend Shannon. She has a channel that is called Shannonize. She's doing a lot of creative makeup. Her skills, she did 2 different Star Wars looks, one with Porg and one with Chewbacca, which got, you know, onto some really big pages, and I think it's just amazing. She's so kind, she's so sweet. We both spoke in different panels, but on the same YouTube day, and we meet for coffee sometimes, and we chat online, and we're in some Facebook groups together, and she's just very, very sweet. She's very kind, and I love that about her. Like, and I can tell her things, and she's always very supportive, and she's just a great, great supportive friend. And I would say, you guys, if you are into, you know, creative makeup and stuff, go check out her channel. It's Shannonize. She just got started. I would love to see her, you know, break 100 subscribers. Go check her out, you guys. Tell her that I sent you. I've got some love for the Canadians here. I want to talk about Zak Tech Reviews. Zak Tech Reviews, again, we're in several Facebook groups together. One of the things I love about Zak Tech Reviews, his channel, like, the purpose is going to be about unboxing cell phone accessories and, you know, Bluetooth accessories and all of that stuff that kind of revolves around your cell phones, but he doesn't just stick to one type of cell phone. So he does some Apple stuff, he does some Android stuff, he has some other types. So he does a lot of unboxings, a lot of reviews, and one thing I appreciate most about his videos, it's no fluff, it's no BS, it's just let's jump right into the heart of it. Some of my favorites, he does camera comparisons between like 3 different cameras, which is amazing. So I love, love, love his channel. He's super supportive. He's one of those no BS guys. You know, he's gonna give it to you straight, and I really appreciate that about him. And speaking of tech accessories, I have to give a shout out to my girl Kimbyrleigha. Of course, we were in several Facebook groups together. I think it's like five Facebook groups that we're in together. And it's funny, I'll join one and then I'll see that she's in it and I'm like, of course you are, because she's everywhere. But you know, just this last year, really getting to know her and everything, we are so similar. We both have a little bit of sass, a little bit of attitude. We both want to give it to you straight and be honest, but we both underneath genuinely want you to do well and succeed. And I think that's one thing that's so amazing about her is she's not going to hold back. She's going to give you the truth. She's going to, but it's for the betterment. And if you care to hear it and you can hear it and you're not one of those super sensitive people, then there's so much of what she's saying that is just coming from experience and coming from wanting you to do well, like genuinely wanting you to do well. It's so awesome. I'm so inspired by her, and I'm so, in admiration of the fact that she is not one of those people who is satisfied with the status quo. She's always looking to grow and stretch and get better. She is not one of those who is afraid to change direction and try something new, which a lot of people, once they start getting some success, they don't want to change a lot of things. They don't want to rock the boat or see anything that would change that. And she's not like that, She's like, I'm willing to try it, and, this is what I'm passionate about, and I'm going to go after it. And I'm really glad that she's seeing success now with the stuff that she's really excited about, and not trying to mold herself into what she thinks other people want or what she thinks is going to sell the best, but just really genuinely what is comfortable for her to talk about, all the new subscribers and all the new growth that's been happening for her. Super excited for her, super proud. I want only good things for her. And if you guys didn't hear, she just got engaged recently, so that's amazing. So congratulations to you. There are a few channels that are worth a quick shout out. First one being Jen Luvs Reviews. I didn't know how big her channel was. She just hit 100,000. Congratulations to you, Jen. And she actually has a Facebook group called What's Up in Makeup, and I didn't know how big her Facebook group was either. All I know is there was one particular video where I started getting more views and people saying that she sent them, and I didn't know what was happening, but she had talked about in her Facebook group one of my videos. It was the BoxyCharm unboxing where I had done special effects in it, and she went to her group and said, check out this girl's video, she's really good at special effects, this is just a really good unboxing video. I didn't know that until later, and then she invited me to be part of her Facebook group, and I did. It's a really great group and everything. But so this was my first experience with a larger YouTuber really kind of showing me any kind of support. I was like under 500 subscribers at the time, and I follow her on Twitter, and I think she's one of the hardest working people on YouTube. She produces this makeup news segment show, which is amazing, and she works so hard and has to do a lot of research with that, and I love that she's honest, and she really gives it to you straight. So I really enjoy her channel. I enjoy watching her videos. If you haven't checked it out yet, you probably already know her, but go check it out. It's called Jen Luvs Reviews. The next one I want to talk about is SilviaMBeauty. Again, we're in several Facebook groups together. She has this passion for makeup, which is just, it's really awesome to see. I know that she had a different kind of channel before, and then she was like, I don't know why I'm fighting it. I want to talk about makeup all the time. I think I want to talk about makeup and do makeup. And she did, and you can really tell she's a lot more, at home with those types of videos than maybe what she was making before. So I'm really happy for her. She's the type of person that makes me realize I'm not supposed to be a makeup guru because I just don't have the same passion for it as she does. I enjoy it. I like it. I like to talk about it, but I am not as good as she is at makeup. And speaking of other good makeup, Beauty Lashes 19, and that's Sneha. I love listening to her talk because she has an accent, and it's wonderful. I think it's great. She's also a woman of color, and there aren't always as many of those to watch. Just putting that out there. I enjoy watching her channel. She's always commenting on my videos. I appreciate her so much. My next one is Jasmin Huerta, and I really like about her is that she and I were a little bit of the older group of the beauty people or people on YouTube, and we're not trying to be 19, we're not trying to be 22. That's just not us. And I love that she is just like, she's so real and so genuinely nice. So I always enjoy like hearing from her, interacting with her. We interact on Twitter. I really enjoy talking with her. Next is going to be Parejeda, a Seattle YouTuber. We were in the YouTube Creator Day together. She and I will meet sometimes and just talk over, you know, champagne and macarons or coffee or whatever it is. And it's great. It's great to just have someone local that knows exactly what you're going through. And it's been fantastic hanging out with her. And she has a genuine bubbly spirit and positivity that I just adore about her. And she's so cute. I love her. We've got a couple more. We've got Kortney and Karlee, which are these little Southern belles down in Texas, I think it is. And they are just always, they've been so sweet. I remember back when we each had under 1,000 subscribers, just kind of talking to each other, and we were saying like tips or tricks or strategies, and we were talking about magic links, different stuff like that. So it's just been fun talking and watching them grow. Now they have like 20,000 subscribers. Congrats to you guys. You guys are super cute. Last but not least, I have to say Jade Yu. We have a channel together. We started YouTube together. She has a ton of skincare, makeup, all those kinds of tutorial videos. It's just really fun to have someone local, you know, who's going through all the same stuff and who understands what I'm going through. So that's it for now. That is my list of my most supportive YouTube friends. If you didn't find yourself on it, that's okay. Maybe the next time I make a video, you guys will be on this list as well. I would encourage you, highly encourage you to go out and make a video of your own. Tag Drea if you do it, since she did create this tag and video, because I know that she would love to see that. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. You guys, as always, I hope you guys are doing so amazing, and I want to encourage you to go out there and do something that gets you one step closer to your goal this year. Bye guys!